This question is challenging us to figure out what detail this argument assumes is true, though the argument never actually states it. To do that, let's make sure we understand the argument. This argument is made up of three statements. The first statement introduces Mighty Mart's two options: to increase prices or to close a number of their locations. The second statement gives one reason why increasing prices would increase Mighty Mart's profit margins more so than closing a store would. Then, the last statement is the conclusion that increasing the prices of retail products is the most that they can do to improve their profit margins. Based on this argument, we can come up with a guess as to what the assumption might be. Because the argument is comparing the benefits of two options and choosing one option over the other, the argument assumes that for some reason the company cannot or should not choose both options. When we look at our answer choices, choice D is the answer that best matches our prediction. If the company assumes that choosing both solutions wouldn't increase profit margins, then they would be forced to pick one option over the other, which is the argument that we have here. This makes D the correct answer. If we wanted, we could stop here, but let's look at why the other choices are wrong. Choice A is incorrect because it isn't an assumption of the argument. It's another reason why closing a location would not be a good decision, which isn't what we want. So we can mark off choice A. Similarly, choice B is incorrect because it is an extra detail that would support why increasing prices is the best option. Remember, we are looking for a detail that is essential to the argument, not a supporting or extra one. So choice B is also out. Choice C is more of a commentary about the end goal to increase profit margins. It doesn't have much to do with the argument itself, so choice C is also wrong. Finally, choice E is incorrect because it also doesn't have much to do with the argument. The argument is not concerned about the revenue of individual stores, but rather about what the company as a whole can do to improve profit margins. So choice E is an assumption of the argument, so it's not the right answer. So we're left with choice D, which was our original guess. It is the best answer and most closely connects with the argument. In fact, the argument seems to rely on its idea, so this answer is a solid assumption. The correct answer is choice D.